partners, it's Jamie with Golden State Mortgage Group and today's WTH. So today I want to talk to you about open houses. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but they are part of our job and there's some do's and don'ts for them, and I wanted to share with you some of the experiences that I've had with open houses. So one of the tips that I would say is signage. You know, if you don't really want to go there, you're not feeling it, you maybe only put 1 or 2 signs out, you're less likely to have a lot of people come through, right? So put as many signs out as you can get your hands on. 10, 15, 20, I've got 26 signs, so if you need signs for your open houses, reach out. I know realtors who put 40 signs out. Put flags out in the front of the house, or I saw a flag on the corner the other day that said open house, agent inside. You know, I know realtors who sit in front of the house and invite people in. We have a banner that we post in front of the house that welcomes people in. You know, there's no rules with it, but really, if you're going to block out part of your weekend to be at an open house, make sure you're making the best time of it, because you're not just there to tell your sellers, oh, I did an open house. You're there to meet people. You're there to meet your future buyers, and you're there to maybe get a new listing from the neighbors because you did so much better at an open house than the other guy down the street. Just a few of my thoughts, so I hope it helps. If you need anyone to do your open houses with you, please reach out. I'm always available. Thanks. Bye.